Today, I'm making an easy homemade tomato chutney that's packed with flavor and ready in just 15 minutes. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Add 1 small chopped red onion and cook for 3 to 4 minutes until softened. Add 2 chopped garlic cloves and cook for 1 minute. Add 1 teaspoon of paprika and stir well. Now add 3 large chopped tomatoes and mix everything together. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy recipes. Add 1 tablespoon tomato puree and stir until well combined. Cook for around 10 minutes, stirring occasionally, until the tomatoes have softened and broken down into a rich, thick mixture. Add 1/2 teaspoon salt. Add 1 teaspoon sugar. The sugar helps balance the natural acidity of the tomatoes. Stir everything together. The mixture should now look rich, thick, and full of flavor. Turn off the heat and stir in 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Blend until smooth or leave it slightly chunky if you prefer more texture. Now I'll transfer the chutney to a serving bowl. And that's it! An easy homemade tomato chutney made with simple everyday ingredients and ready in just 15 minutes. This tomato chutney is delicious with sandwiches, wraps, savoury snacks and grilled vegetables. Today I'm serving it with some crispy chicken bites and it tastes absolutely amazing. If you enjoyed this recipe, please subscribe to Creative Recipes for more easy recipes, kitchen tips, product tests and food finds. Thanks for watching!